Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have ROBOROCK QRevo Curv and I'm going to show you how to manage vacuuming. At first we have to click on this vacuum mop setting and we have to swipe until we see vacuum. We have to click vacuum, and as you can see here we have suction power. You can have quiet, balanced, turbo, max and max plus. As you can see, but this option is power intensive, battery life shortened. We have over here cleaning count. We have this setting 2 times or 1 time, route standard or fast, and as you can see, this is all options we have. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.